Hey guys. This is CXPEAS05 here. Do you want to consider hitting that subscribe button to get more latest content from CXP himself? Don't miss out on it. Smash that like and subscribe buttons and twist that notification bell.
Warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated.
My God! It's 11:48.
By the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any
God, they legit pulled the TPW. MFL seriously legit pulled the TPW.
Will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for warnings and selected watches affecting the South Florida counties. In addition to the regular alarm tone, the NOAA weather radio system is equipped with an additional warning service called SAME, that is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. Unlike the normal tone of 1050 Hz, which activates all alarmable NWR radios monitoring the station, SAME allows people with a special receiver to be notified of watches and or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, and commercial radio and television. For more information regarding the SAME program, contact your local National Weather Service office. Here is the hazardous.
Wow! One minute early.
Was a test of the public warning and alarms for transmitters in Florida listening areas. In Florida. This was also a test of the same system for a specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. Unless severe weather threatens. In this case, the test we can in the next clear weather day. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. For a specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. Unless severe weather threatens.
Man,
In this case, the test will be conducted.
they done it 1 minute early. TBW knows what they're doing.
We now return to regular programming.
Very impressive by TBW. Yeah, I've never seen them test at 5:59. That's the first.
So past my unit and hall patrol went off.